Are you ready? This is our first science experiment that I wanted you to have some fun with. And it might make a little bit of a mess, but you're going to clean it up because you're going to need two things out of your science kit. These two things, the glue stick and the purple glue works best. So if you open it up and you see purple, that's what kind you want. And then this is called Totally Awesome, and it's a cleaner. It's a spray. I got it at the Dollar Tree for just $1. And Dollar General store has it for just $1. So I've cleared out a lot of them. It's going to take a little while to restock. Anyhow, yeah, I might have went to 5 different Dollar Trees trying to get all of it, but the community has been helping me a lot with ordering things and getting things done. But this is your first experiment that you're going to do. And I have a lot of fun in science because it looks like science is magic once in a while. Like how is that happening? What's going on? How can that be? And so this first experiment I have to show you, it looks like magic, but it's not. It's science. So remember that. Is it magic? No, it's science. Science is happening. So the first thing I did was I took one of these dry erase boards that I have in my classroom and just white, and I wrote something on there. Yeah, I wrote it with this, my purple glue stick. Now you can do this on a table or any hard surface that you have and write out your own message. Let it dry. Doesn't take very long, and it doesn't take very much glue. Just a little bit of glue, okay? Like you don't need the whole thing purple. It can just write a message, and you'll have enough of this and enough of this to do this many, many times. So don't worry if you're sharing. And what you're going to do is write it out and then give them this and say, maybe a friend, hey, I wrote you a secret message. Can you figure out what it says? So you're my friends. I wrote you a secret message. Can you figure it out? Figure out what it says. The best way to do that is to take your spray and spray. Are you starting to see what's happening? Does anybody see that? What happened? Science rules. Happy summer. And your message appears. Now this is dripping down because I'm holding it up. And you can do that over and over again. The best part is you're using a cleaner so you can clean it up. Now this cleaner you don't want to get in your mouth. Definitely not good to eat or drink. But you can clean things up, wipe them down, and say, hey, I cleaned. The best part is, parents, you need to leave. You can make a message for your mom and dad or your aunt and uncle, your grandma and grandpa, who's over there with you. And you can write a sweet message like, I love you, or thank you for everything you've done for me. That'd be a lot of words, right? But that's a lot of fun. And you can make any message you want that's sweet and kind, and share your kindness. All right? So what I would love for you to do is try this out, see if it works, clean it up, and then you can make your little mess and say, hey, Mom, I need you to help me clean this mess up. And they can see your secret message. Now, as for science, how's it work? I'm not quite sure. I still have to learn and investigate that. I know there's some sort of chemical reaction that happens when this and this mix together, and that purple appears again. I don't know why, but it does. And so that is part of being a scientist, looking at things, asking questions, and discovering and learning. So I'll be doing some research and learning and checking it out. You can too. Why does that work like that? I don't know. There's a list of chemicals that's on here. There's a lot of chemicals in here. We can check it out. We can look at this too, the glue stick. Who knows? That's part of science. Sometimes things happen and we don't understand. So we've got to go explore. All right, you can do this experiment right now. It's still kind of on there, but it's starting to run. And I'm going to go clean my mess up. Make sure you clean up your mess. And this was science experiment number one. See you for number two next.